Hi guys, Ray from EPM, just showing you today a dash camera for all the latest Audis and Porsches. So you can see this camera is a direct replacement for this panel over here. You can just take this off and put this back on. And then this harness is ultra easy to do. Just unplug the factory harness and insert this in between. So, and this camera will be directly powered, integrated into the your car basically, and it'll be very discreet. And also it's Wi-Fi integrated, so there's no fuse, no wire running around. Don't have to go the wire all the way into the A pillar, into the fuse boxes. Basically plug and play. So there's 3 panels to take off. This big one goes up first. Just open up here and then just take it off like that. This one was sitting over here, and then just it'll be easy to do after that. This one is a slightly tougher. So it's just wrapped around in here. Just open up the top panel, open up this little bit and just take it off. And then the rest of it is basically putting this over here and just insert the harness in between. So all you have to do is just take out this small plug, put this into the provided harness and put the other side right back into the same slot and put everything back. So now we've completed this installation. You can see that's the original panel, that's the new camera. This is a very discreet and OEM built, and there's 2 buttons down here. One is the power, one is the snapshot button, and the blue light means it's recording. The SD card you can take it out to put into a reader to read all the files inside, but also you can use a Wi-Fi app to control it and then view this live on your phone. And this camera also comes with a gyrometer, so it is able to sense the acceleration, and it is able to lock the video if you got into an accident. Otherwise this is quite nice.